forever.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Hunterdon County in northwest New Jersey, northwestern Mercer County in central New Jersey, central Bucks County in southeast Pennsylvania, central Montgomery County in southeast Pennsylvania until 4:45 p.m. At 3:44 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Silverdale, moving east at 20 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Frickson-Chalfont around 3:50 p.m., Dublin around 3:55 p.m., Robbie-Sonia and Doylestown around 4:05 p.m., Gardenville and Pipersville around 4:10 p.m., Tinicum around 4:15 p.m., Byram and Owen around 4:20 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Saturday evening for Delaware and northeastern Maryland and New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties: New Jersey, Hunterdon and Mercer, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks and Montgomery. This is NOAA Weather Radio.
Well, that was for me. I'm Bucks County. That's an issue. Okay. So yes, we do have a severe thunderstorm watch. There I am right there. Yeah, you guys cannot really... Yeah, you can. See... Yeah. And we also have... Oops. Here's our... Look for it. Hold on 1 second. This is us right here, see? Severe thunderstorm watch. This is me. I'm right here, Bucks County. Okay. Uh-oh. I'm plugged in though. Already. Sorry, it just got an alert on my low battery. But that should be plugged in. Okay. I'll keep you updated, and thanks for watching.